Ever feel like you're doing everything right online? Building funnels, running ads, buying shiny courses, and still seeing zero results? Yeah, been there. You don't need another 300-hour course. You need something that actually works, without you becoming a tech genius or a sales machine. I was burnt out, confused, and honestly ready to quit, but then I stumbled across something unusual. A done-for-you model that flipped the script. It's called Partner and Profit, and it's not just another course. It's a plug-and-play business where you're partnering with a 7-figure setup already proven to work. No product to build, no client calls, no crazy ad spend, just a system that earns while you sleep. I set mine up in an afternoon, and the results started rolling in. If you're tired of chasing every trend and finally want something simple, ethical, and effective, this might be it. Check out Partner and Profit. I've added the link in my bio. You don't have to build it alone. Sometimes partnering is the smartest move.